Good evening, all of you. Today class continuous sentence. Hello, good morning. Good morning to you. How are you? I am good. I am good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What are you doing now? I am studying class 5th. Where are you from? I'm from USA. How many provinces are there? There are 50 provinces in USA. How many population in the USA? 60 million population. How many languages speak there? 6 languages speak there in USA. Who is Prime Minister of USA? Donald Trump is the. How many colors in your flag? 3 colors in my country flag. Which is capital of USA? New York. Which province are you from? New York. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Do you have any question? No thanks. See you again. See you again soon. Thank you for watching my video. For more, please like and subscribe my channel.